Hello, I'm Terra Downey with the Purple Group. Today I will be talking about the training necessary for the ACME company to transition from rigid project management like waterfall, as seen on this side, to a more flexible project management like agile, or today we're specifically talking about Scrum. A few easy things to do to start the transition from rigid to flexible project management is to hold short daily meetings, which in the Scrum process is referred to as the daily Scrum. This would get everyone talking about the transition and help resolve any questions they may have. This would also help ease into the idea of changing from one project management style to the other. One of the main reasons why projects are not successful is an aversion to change. A daily meeting would help get everyone on board with the transition. From there, the training process can continue by conducting a skills assessment of all the team members. Understanding who has what skills to help the group is very important for team management. For example, in our group, Tim has video editing experience and software, which is why we've asked Tim to help us put this lovely video together. The next step in training the ACME company is to hold individual trainings about Scrum. Trainings would be held for executives, stakeholders, management, and the development team. The purpose of this would be to help promote all people in their understanding of Scrum methodology, which is basically a more flexible process with evolution and more changes than the previous design. Also, it would talk about Scrum artifacts, which include the product backlog, sprint backlog, and burn down chart, as described earlier by my colleague Brett. And Scrum ceremonies, which also mentioned by Brett, include the sprint planning session, the daily Scrum, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospectives. Once everyone has a grasp of what Scrum is, then it's time to put it all together with group trainings. And once the group trainings are complete, the team is ready to become a project management team utilizing Scrum. The training would be a project in itself and would follow the project management process groups of initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling, and finally closing.